Hello friends, welcome to my show. Today we are going to make a masala momos, and at the end of the video you will get a healthy tip. So please watch the video till the end, and please like it, share it and subscribe it. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 grated carrot, finely chopped garlic, finely chopped cabbage, finely chopped ginger, sweet corn, spring onion, finely chopped capsicum, omelette pieces, curry leaf powder, Garam masala, coriander powder, salt, flour in a plate. Add salt, garam masala, curry leaf powder and coriander powder. Then mix it well and knead it into soft dough. Now make small balls and rest it for some time. Meanwhile, we'll make stuffing ready. Put a vessel and heat little oil. Now add all the vegetables one by one and cook it until the rawness goes. Once the rawness goes, add masalas and salt. Now make small puree and give momos shape as shown in the video. Do the same with the rest of the balls. Now we'll make the steamer ready. Put an idli vessel on the stove and add 2 glasses of water and cover it for 2 minutes. Now put momos in the idli tray and insert them in the steamer and steam it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the steamer lid and take out the momos. Now your momos are ready. Serve the hot momos with Szechuan chutney. Today's healthy tip: have a glass of warm water every day before going to bed.